American Royal Invitational, YSB BBQ.
So as I'm loading the trailer, I load everything but the kitchen sink in the trailer. Everything I'm going to need. I have to cook sausage, dessert, vegetable, turkey. It's a normal KCBS contest on Saturday and Sunday. Also on Saturday, there are 5 side categories. American Royal bound. All right, Pops, where are we at?
We're in Kansas City, ready to cook some meat.
My dad and I flew into Kansas City. We got our bags. We're rolling through the airport. The nerves are getting higher. The hair's standing up. We're at the American Royal. We roll in. We're looking around, man, and there's 500 plus teams. There's teams everywhere. Anybody who's anybody in barbecue is at this contest. The trailer's parked. We start unloading all the stuff, and man, this trailer's packed. I know I brought way too much stuff, but you know, I just would rather have it than not knowing that I don't have whatever product, whatever deep fryer, whatever pot, pan, utensil, whatever it is. I know it's in the trailer, so I'd much rather have everything here than not being able to have it. No, if Smitty's listening, then yes, I'm getting a new trailer just to fuck this one up.
Right, yes.
Only if he's listening. But if he's not listening, no, I'm not getting rid of this.
Meat selection to me is one of the most important pieces of a barbecue competition. So for instance, with brisket, I'm looking for a brisket that's between 16 and 20 pounds, nice thick flat, good intermuscular fat running through it. That intermuscular fat is going to add a lot of moisture and keep the brisket very tender and juicy through that cooking process. If you went during the trimming process, you really want to focus on trying to keep that brisket as even as possible on both sides, same thickness. That'll avoid those ends starting to crumble on you. It just doesn't look good as far as presentation goes. When it comes to trimming a brisket, I almost always separate the point and the flat. I get rid of any of the hard fat that's on there, any silver skin. You just want to remove that. For our pork, we always get bone-in pork. We use Prairie Fresh, probably the best pork on the planet at this point. That's the one sad part of barbecue. There's a lot of wasted meat.
All right, boys. What the fucking day is it?
It's Friday.
Boys,
Yes.
it's Friday.
Yes.
Tomorrow's invitational. We got make sure we're on target for everything. We got all of our injections made, correct?
Yep.
Chicken ribs, pork
Jacksons
brisket.
are all made.
Chicken's trim.
Yep.
Ribs trim.
Yep.
Pork's trimmed.
Yes.
We got brisket trim.
Yep.
And then for the open, everything is trimmed but torque, correct?
Yeah, we got 4 more butts to trim.
We also need to think about boxes later on. Build some boxes.
Yeah, that's
you know. But it's so hot right now.
We can do that.
Let's wait till shit kind of cools down and
Yeah.
it gets cooler, and then we can knock out what we need to
Do
do.
that in the morning.
There's also the cook's meeting we're gonna attend to.
What's that? 5?
Here's the paper right now. I think it's like 3 to 3:30.
Because right after cook's meeting, I'm injecting first.
Cook's meeting's at 3:30 is the side dish cook's meeting. So you might want to attend that too, just to get some information. Yeah, I got another car. It's a 2023 Toyota Futuristic.